Alright. I'm just going to leave that on there because it will be reassembled here very shortly. So, now you've got this last Woodruff key. You gotta be kind of gentle with them. Break one. There you go. Now with that last Woodruff key, put that off to the side. Alright, so now take out these two screws right here. Flip it back over, and you've got two screws here, one there, and two there, and maybe a couple more if I forgot them. But I guess we'll find out, huh? These two are stripped out on the head. Probably why Dax didn't replace those two. Great. There we go. That was literally probably the reason he did not replace those two. I don't know if he regularly does or not. There's those two. Back to the rest. Alright. Got just a couple more. I don't use drills on these because I just don't want to strip out anything. These things are kind of fragile, very cheap. So you got to watch out for that. If you strip one out, you're going to be in a bad place. Alright, now from the looks of it, that should be everything. Oh, this one's going to come off just right easy. And there you go. That's how you split your engine. Well, you got that opened up. Some tools out of the way. Here's your crank. This is a GT5 engine, 66cc, 38mm stroke. This is the Dax balance bottom end, I guess. Push out this. Clutch mechanism. Oh, great. Throw that gasket too. Alright, so that's everything but the bearings, and it's completely disassembled. Gotta watch your gaskets, not to rip them, tear them like I did. But that is the complete disassembly of a 66cc, 80cc motor. Should be the same for the 40mm stroke, exact same. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.